In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to place two photos on a canvas and create a smooth, transparent blend using a simple opacity adjustment. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a second to load and make sure you're signed into your account so your work stays synced and accessible. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. If you're returning to an existing project, you can head into your stuff. If you're starting fresh, which we'll do here, click Start New Design, then click New Design to open a blank workspace. Now let's bring in our first image. On the left panel, click Add Content, then choose Media. You can pick a sample photo from the library or upload one from your computer. Select the image you want, and it will appear on your canvas. Take a moment to position it, click and drag to move it, and use the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions intact. For best results, use clear, high-resolution images so the blend looks polished. Next, we'll add the second photo. Again, click Add Content on the left, then click Media. Choose the option to browse your picture and select your second image from your device. It will land on the canvas as a separate layer. Reposition both images until they overlap in a way that feels natural, maybe aligning a horizon, centering a subject, or offsetting them for a creative double exposure look. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You can always nudge and scale after blending. Click to select one of the images, the one you want to partially see through. On the left side, find Opacity and click it. You'll see a slider with a circle. Drag that circle to lower the opacity and reveal the photo underneath. A moderate reduction often works well. Try easing it down gradually until the two visuals feel integrated. Subtlety is key. Lower opacity can soften edges and create a smoother transition, while a higher setting keeps more detail from the top image. If the blend doesn't look quite right, adjust the placement of either photo and then fine-tune the opacity again. Small tweaks go a long way. The nice part is this is non-destructive, so you can revisit the slider anytime until the images mesh the way you want. That's it. You've blended two images in Adobe Express using opacity. Experiment with different photos and layouts to find the style that fits your project.